What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got some big information, some exclusive information. I haven't seen this anywhere else, so we are dropping it here on Greggles TV Daily. And it is all about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 and unpacked and what to expect, and our first hands-on review sample of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and what they thought about it. Now, everything that I've received is from a quote-unquote Samsung Pro, so somebody that goes into a store and is the pro person. I don't know if they work exactly for Samsung or if they work for the carrier, but they're a pro and they teach people how to use the phones. And they've gotten a hands-on review of it, and they've also gave me some exclusive information on when to expect the official release date, and it's even sooner than I thought it would be, because I was thinking, I'll just leave it at that. Let's talk about this though. So first of all, let's start off with the official release date, and that is going to be the following. It's due to be, and this is from a screenshot I was sent from them. It says 8 days and counting to unpacked. Now, obviously they sent this a few days back, or actually yesterday or today, but they did say that, do you know, while we are only 8 days to unpacked, launch of the to be announced devices is only 2 weeks after that. That's right. Launch is scheduled for Wednesday, July 24th. This means customers only have a 2-week window to pre-order, but why should they? So it's basically telling these representatives that the release date for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 will be July 24th, which is it's actually 2 days earlier than what I expected. I was expecting July 26th, but if the official release date, which it is July 24th, that means people will be getting their phones as early as July 22nd, and definitely probably by the 19th as well. You know that carriers and Samsung themselves will start pushing these phones out, especially here in America. I know Europe, I feel like, is a little bit different. People will be getting their phones like a whole week in advance, but here in America, it's usually a few days in advance, and this is a awesome thing. So July 24th, official release date for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. But we're not done. We've got that hands-on review of what they thought, and this is pretty awesome, especially if you think about, if you're on the edge of buying the Z Fold 6, I think this might push you over the edge to wanting to get it. All right, this is what the person said. They said that they are a Samsung Pro for their job and have to do training before the phone releases. What I can tell you is the phone is light, which is awesome because we heard 239 grams. The crease is there, but it's better, which is also what we've heard, and that's good to know. And the outside display feels like a new phone. Doesn't feel like you are holding the Fold 3 or Fold 5 just by Samsung stretching the outer display screen. Still wish it was like the OnePlus Open, but it's step up for Samsung is taking. Battery life is a 4400 milliamp, by the way, too. So some nice little things in there. I think one of the big things that most people want is that bigger outside display, and if it feels like a completely different phone, that's a cool, fun thing. And it is, you know, one of the reasons I would want to upgrade is to have a bigger feeling display. I know he doesn't use the words bigger, he says different, but I still think that might be enough. And I've said it from the point where, you know, I don't think the Z Fold 6 is gonna be one of those devices where you look at it on paper and you're like, damn, that is a major reason to upgrade this, or this. I think it's gonna be one of those devices that when you hold it in your hand and some of those things that have been upgraded come to light, that's when you're gonna be like, wow, this is a nice little upgrade, or a good solid upgrade overall. Take advantage of the launch event going on right now. Have a link down below in the pinned comment and the description down below of this video, and you get 50 bucks up in credit. You get up to $1,500 off in savings for the phone when you buy it. Entered into a $5,000 sweepstakes with Samsung to win, and you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6, the pre-order and the first hands-on with the Fold 6. Let me know. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.